Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial Excel series. I will be guiding you through the amazing world of Excel. In this first video, we will be covering what is Excel, who can use it, and what you will learn from this course and the opportunities you await after completing the course. So, what is Excel? Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft, designed for data organization, calculations, graphing, and even programming with macros. It is a tool that can transform how you manage data and perform analysis. Who can use Excel? Well, Excel is incredibly versatile. Whether you are a student, teacher, researcher, or managing a personal finances, Excel has something to offer. Professionals like accountants, data analysts, marketers, and project managers are rely on Excel daily. Business both small and large utilize Excel for various operational needs. In this course, you will learn everything from basic to advanced functions of Excel. We will cover data entry, sorting, filtering, creating charts, pivot tables, and macros. Comprehensive set of skills to make you proficient in Excel. Opportunities after completing the course. Mastering Excel, you can significantly boost your career prospects whether you are looking to advance in your current job or explore new opportunities. Excel is highly valued skill. You will be able to apply your knowledge in various practical scenarios, from budgeting and project management to in-depth data analysis. Plus, you can pursue certifications like Microsoft Office Specialist to further validate your skills.